Let me show you why Claude disappointed me, and I'm using now FlowHunt MCP server with Claude. So a few days ago, I wanted to create an AI agent that manages my Google Calendar and also my GitHub together. So actually Claude has this Google Calendar feature, and I went on to connect my own Google Calendar to my email. And this is what I saw. So you can only actually have features to view events in your Google Calendar and also maybe download your calendar and so on. You don't have any feature to actually create an event in your Google Calendar, update an event, or for example, see free times in your Google Calendar and schedule an event. So it was useless for me. So what I did, I use FlowHunt MCP server to create a Google Calendar, and I'm going to show you now how to create that. So I'm going to add a new MCP server in here. I'm going to call it my personal MCP. And in here, I'm going to search Google Calendar, and you see the list of all the capabilities that you can give to an AI agent, in this case, Claude, to manage my Google Calendar for me. So what I did, I listed all and then clicked on add new MCP server. I also wanted to connect the same thing to GitHub. So for example, my workflow is so that I usually, for example, create a Google Calendar time box event at some point in my day. And also I want a specific issue in GitHub that actually solves that. So in the same way, I just added GitHub. And you see you have, I actually gave it just a few capabilities to my GitHub. So list issues, create issues, update issues, and so on. And that's all. So you can update, and this is the Google Calendar. Now, how can you connect it to Claude? It's easy. You can go to Connect tab and click on Claude. And in here, you have a URL. So you can copy the URL. I'll go back to Claude, which I have it in here. Yep. And Claude. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a custom MCP server. So I'll go back to settings, connectors, and you see that I already have it, but basically, you see that it also sees all the MCP server capabilities that you can give access to. And in here, you can give it a name and then the URL that we just copied, basically. So yeah, I already have mine in here, and let's do a test run. So I have this conversation already, which I did with Claude. I would say, okay, let's create another event at, let's say 3 p.m. For coffee with friends. And Claude is able to use the MCP server. So you see that we have create event tool in FlowHunt, and hopefully I'm gonna see, a new event in here. And I can even go ahead and say, okay, link it to this GitHub issue and so on. So you need to really think about your workflow. What is the most efficient way to interact with your agent? But I find it's really useful. I use it every day. And if you actually see more stuff or actually need more capabilities in here, just let us know and we'll implement the next stuff.